as your guide, the problem of life will be easily solved. I quote an example. Arjuna asked Shri Krishna, those who worship you and those who worship the absolute, of these, which are the greater yogis? Lord Krishna answered, those who worship me with the highest faith and constancy are the greatest yogis. Those who worship and devote themselves to the unmanifested absolute, the omnipresent, the omniscient, and the omnipotent, their difficulty is greater in the struggle for in the fact. In fact, this path is trodden with great difficulty by an embodied soul by self-effort. ठीक कारण है. When we begin to love such a soul, which becomes the object of our concentration, nature's power then begins to turn through us, for the greatest soul is endowed with such powers. Our emotions and feelings made worse by our wrongdoings begin now to come to their original form and attain the highest excellence. By original form, I mean that the condition in which they were at the time when they took human form for the first time, our function and work being unregulated and the mind undisputed, we seek the shelter of such a great soul or the master. I don't know if पूरा हो जाएगा नहीं. Meditation. In Raj Yoga, we generally start with meditation. There is a great underlying philosophy in it. We find ourselves all the time busy with worldly things. If we are not doing anything, our thought seems to have things in our leisure hours. We are always in tumult and disorder. बिल्कुल सही बोला. Our individual mind has become used to such a type of character, and thus we have made everlasting topsy-turvy. Our actions and thought count much in our wrong making. When we remain in contact with ideas and thoughts different kinds, they leave impression upon our emotions, feeling, and senses. All senses are thus spoiled and adopt a wrong course. बिल्कुल सही बोला. When such practice continues for a long period, we make them worse. The marks we thus make upon a sense and indriyas turn them solid like a rock, having no both or wisdom. The soul is in no doubt not acted upon, but we create such obstacles and coverings which keep it enwrapped all around like the coconut of silkworm. What happens then? We cannot even peep into the soul. What of realizing it? By the effect of our vicious thoughts and actions, we spoil our sense of discrimination at the right cognition. Fantastic. अभी थोड़ा जंप करेंगे, नए चैप्टर पर चलेंगे, बिकॉज अदर हमारे को चैप्टर नया. हाँ, राइट. Now from here start heart region. People generally think of the heart as made of flesh and blood only. When the idea of the heart comes to them, they locate its position as that of heart made of the things said above. This is one of the limitations in viewing the heart region in its broader sense. It is really a vast circle covering everything inner and outer. The things after the first mind all belong to the region of the heart. All the lotuses or chakras are set within its limit. In other words, they can well be called a spark of this big region. The stage of human approach are lying hidden in it. Superconsciousness lies there. Sushapti. Sushapti is a part of it. We are all playing like ducks on the water in that region. The stage of intercommunication with the liberated soul of the brighter world starts from this place. The individual mind plays its part in this region. It is the main artery of God. We cannot reach Him unless we proceed through it. Narada is playing the tune in this region. The majority of the people feel things but their own body. Their thoughts are located to this very point. They think their body as the only thing worth keeping. They consider it everything. They do not want to see their body decomposed. They are all along with the doctor when they feel it disease somehow. All care for the body becomes their aim and objective. They do not want to free themselves from the idea. बिल्कुल सही बोल रहे हैं यार. Creating in them, they are all the time found serving their own master, the body. The soul has no value to them. It is an afterthought for them. They do not find any leisure besides. How many circles they have put around their body. If the body was solid itself, they have hammered it around and around, making it all more hard and solid. Where do their ideas now lie? On the body or inside it? When you lay stress upon a certain thing, ideas begin to jump inside, but in consonance with the thoughts already made. What you find within it. It is the idea working for the body. Now you are working for the body. You remain in contact with such a body, and you make it more solid still. Naturally, your ideas, when they rebound after touching the body, become solid. Solidity was to some extent within them, as they had in some form of another idea. Now they have become one with the body. Having the same relationship with one another, you can now well be defined as a solid globe having the pole as well as the axis within. कमाल कर दिया भाई. Now next chapter telling. अब chapter ये तो है. हाँ, हार्ट. ये अब हार्ट रीजन में चल रहे हैं हम सारा. ओके यार, ये तो पूरी साइंस है भाई, साइंस. देयर आर नाउ इसको हम इधर कर. हाँ, वही तो करना. तो पूरी साइंस है, ये तो थ्योरी नहीं है. हार्ट रीजन की बात करें. देयर आर 3 पॉइंट्स, one above, other below, and the third somewhere between the two. The upper point is denoted as A, and the lower one is as B in the diagram. 2. You will find different seeds and vrittis whirling there. Between A and B, there is a point which, if pressed, you can have communication with the liberated soul of the brighter world. After some practice of Raj Yoga, okay, बिल्कुल सही बोला अभी इन्होंने. Whenever you think of anything, the idea first at A. Whatever you think repeatedly located at the point A, you will form your fate accordingly. At the point B, if you meditate that you are becoming devoted in all sensual things, the result will follow in the shortest possible time with you. So then it means ये A and B, इसकी पोजीशन क्या है? ये B तो दुन्नी हो गई ना,
मैं बता दूंगा
है ना.
कैसे
हाँ
लोकेट करते हैं.
हाँ, एग्जैक्टली राइट. आइए. Which you cannot even imagine unless you do it yourself. The Abhyasi under our system of Sahaj Marg practice on these points and find remarkable improvement if the practice is systematically done on both these points. Desires will soon begin to bid farewell. The point between A and B is kept a secret, as havoc can be wrought if it is improperly used. So I am not disclosing it at all. If you enter the upper region, cleaning the point A and B, you make yourself deserving for reaching the other sort of the superconscious state which lies in this region of heart. One who thoroughly cleans the point B receives then the happy tidings of the entry into the sort of superconscious state that I am going to deal with hereafter. I am locating the point A and B by actual measurement. The heart lies in the left part of the body, near the lower part of the left lung, measures 2 fingers width straight to the right of the left nipple, then proceeds straight away downward up to 3 fingers width. This is the position of the point A. Now you proceed 2 fingers width straight away downward from the point A. You will find the point B just above your
ये निप्पल है,
हाँ
इससे 2 फिंगर इस तरफ लोगे तो ये फिर इसके ये 2 फिंगर ऐसे ना,
हाँ
ये लोगे, फिर इससे 3 फिंगर नीचे,
अच्छा
फिर ये
ओके
पॉइंट ए आ गया, फिर
हाँ।
ये 2 फिंगर नीचे पॉइंट बी आ गया, ये निप्पल से,
अच्छा
ये आपका निप्पल से ना।
बिल्कुल ठीक बात आपने दी। फिंगर का उसने रेफरेंस दे दिया बिकॉज हर आदमी की फिंगर विथ अलग अलग है और बॉडी के हिसाब से उसकी लोकेशन अलग अलग है, इसलिए इंची सेंटीमीटर नहीं बताया
हाँ, 2 फिंगर बताए।
क्योंकि हर आदमी की बॉडी की साइज के हिसाब से फैंटास्टिक स्टडी है अभी पूरी। तो डायग्राम
कोई
टू
भी पहला मन में विचार आता है तो पॉइंट ए पर आता है।
हाँ
और जैसा वो सोचता रहता है ना, जैसे
हाँ,
कोई बिजनेसमैन
हाँ,
सोचता रहता है ये इस पॉइंट पे अगर बैठ के सोचता
हाँ
रहे तो वो करोड़पति बन जाएगा। है ना?
अगर
और
शिफ्ट कर
इस पे अगर ध्यान करते हैं ना, तो
हाँ।
हमारे अंदर की जितनी भी सेंसुअल डिजायर्स है
हाँ,
ना,
हाँ।
सब खत्म हो जाती है बी वाले पे। अगर इस पे महात्मा बनना है तो इस पे बैठ के महात्मा का थॉट करो तो
हाँ।
महात्मा बन जाओगे।
साइंस है भी, साइंस है पूरी। लोअर रिब मेजरमेंट टू बी टेकन विद वंस ओन फिंगर। देखो उसने बोल दिया ना, आवर सुपर कॉन्शियसनेस, ये नहीं है कि आपके फिंगर तो मिसमैच हो जाएगा बॉडी तो बिल्कुल ठीक बात है। Okay, so lower rib measurement to be taken with one's own finger. Our superconscious travel in this region will come to the point of superior type of superconscious as we call it. This is shown in diagram 3. Now ये diagram 3 क्या दिखाती है, ये देख लो भी diagram 3 क्या दिखाती है। In the heart, the upper region lies on the right side, where there is the whereas here in this part it lies on the left side, and the lower region is on the right. Here A and B are the points akin to those, that is A and B in the heart. In the position called D, there is the superior sort of superconsciousness. The only difference is that the idea creeping in at A are finer. It is left to the Abhyasi to purify the point B1 so that the finger things may begin to reign. You get purified on the same extent in this portion as you purify. जैसे आपने बोला points A and B of the heart. People generally proceed with the right side called the lower region because they have not purified the heart so much as to enable them to enter this portion in a brighter state. They want to enter with all the things they possess. Thus they try to attempt the impossible by trying to proceed within the left side. It depends much upon the worthy master of the guide to lead this disciple on the right correct side with his things or belongings cast as under. Here the cosmos begins, which is a part of this big circle, the heart. Here people often feel the light being displaced in heavy showers. हाँ बिल्कुल सही बहुत है। But this is not our goal. We must tear it off. We must tear it off before we cross this big circle of heart. Similarly, we now come to the other part of the region called D2, the upper one, the right side of this lower region, as shown in the diagram. Diagram तो हमने कैप्चर कर ही ली है, right? कमाल कर दिया भैया। And now we are coming to diagram 4. Here we find the superfine state of superconsciousness. It all depends upon the point B of the heart, which if purified to the core will hand you at the point A2, which lies in the region D2. A little beneath the superfine state of superconsciousness behind the skull, where the region of the mind begins, there are again 2 parts having the same point, but they are passed over easily to reach the point which I shall show by a diagram later. I have discussed enough the heart region, though only outline. I shall now deal with the final stages that we come across during our march onwards. Right.
जो हम लोग मेडिटेशन स्टार्ट करते हैं तो हार्ट रीजन स्टार्ट करते हैं,
हाँ।
जैसे इसको क्रॉस कर लेते हैं,
हाँ।
ये सबसे बड़ा रीजन है, फिर उसके बाद माइंड रीजन में आते हैं।
ओके राइट। नाउ थोड़ा सा माइंड रीजन को भी देखेंगे, फिर आगे बढ़ेंगे। नाउ लेट अस स्टार्ट विद द माइंड रीजन, राइट। जैसे अब आपने बताई, आफ्टर क्रॉसिंग द रीजन ऑफ द हार्ट वी एंटर द फर्स्ट ऑफ द सुपर माइंड ऑफ गॉड. God. No word can express the condition which one feels there. There are only such symptoms as give an idea of this big region. What we gain in the region of the heart is beyond one's conception. Now we take up the higher stage. The essence of the region of the heart lies there. The present form of the universe is due to the actions of that big mind. They are all power, no amalgamation and no light. We have said that calmness remains predominant in the region of the heart when it comes to original form. What kind of calmness prevails there is beyond one's conception. But in order to express it somehow or other, I may say that if the calmness prevailing in the heart region were to be refined, it may be roughly express the type of character of the calmness in the region of the mind. जैसे आपने बोला, it is only an idea of calmness that now remains. In other words, the forgetful state of calmness is dominating there, which is not the only thing to be acquired. Our anubhava Shakti develops mostly when we enter this region. It remains now on one's part to feel. From here things come in shape and light. There is motion, invisible motion. When multiplying together with the idea of creation increases the force downward. Outcome is the innumerable varieties we find in the universe. It is beyond actual force. Air does not blow there. This is the most powerful region of God. For your understanding, you may call it the powerhouse of setting the godly machinery going. Motion as things appearing and invisible motion that excite vibration are there and have great power. It is very difficult to explain this idea which can only be felt. People may doubt how calmness can abide when motion is there. Impossible through it may be. I would say that there is calmness in refined form.